Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving into the world of franchises and how you can start your own franchise business. So, if you've ever wondered what a franchise is and how it all works, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is a franchise? Well, a franchise is a business model where one party, known as the franchisor, grants the rights to another party, the franchisee, to operate a business using their established brand, products, and processes. In simple terms, it's like buying a ready-made business package. A franchise business is a business model where one party, known as the franchisor, grants the rights and licenses to another party, known as the franchisee, to operate a business using their established brand, products, and systems. In this arrangement, the franchisee essentially buys the rights to operate a business that already has a proven track record and a recognized brand name. The franchisor, who is the original business owner, provides the franchisee with support, training, and access to their established business model. This support may include assistance with site selection, marketing strategies, training programs, supply chain management, and ongoing support in various aspects of business operations. In return for the rights and support provided by the franchisor, the franchisee pays an initial franchise fee and ongoing royalty fees or a percentage of their sales. These fees contribute to the continued support and development of the franchise system. Franchise businesses can be found in various industries, including food and beverage, retail, hospitality, fitness, education, and more. Well-known examples of franchise businesses include McDonald's, Subway, Hilton Hotels, and Anytime Fitness. Alright, now that we understand what a franchise is and its advantages, let's talk about the steps involved in starting your own franchise business. Keep in mind that these steps are just a general guideline, and the process can vary depending on the specific franchise you choose. So, let's dive into it. Step 1. Research. Step 1 is all about research. Take the time to identify the industry you're interested in and the franchises within that industry. Look for franchises that align with your passions, skills, and financial capabilities. Remember, you'll be investing your time and money into this venture, so it's crucial to choose a franchise that resonates with you. Research the franchisors thoroughly. Look into their history, reputation, and success rate. Take note of their franchise fees, royalty payments, and other financial obligations. Also, consider the support and training they offer to franchisees. This research will help you make an informed decision. Reach out to current franchisees and ask them about their experiences. They can provide valuable insights into the day-to-day operations, challenges, and potential returns on investment. Attend franchise expos and seminars to gather more information and connect with industry professionals. The more you research, the better prepared you'll be. Step 2. Evaluate your finances. Step 2 is evaluating your finances. Starting a franchise business involves financial commitments, so it's crucial to assess your financial situation. Calculate your initial investment, including franchise fees, equipment costs, inventory, and working capital. Consider your available funds and determine if you'll need financing. If you require financing, explore your options. Contact banks, credit unions, or specialized franchise lenders to understand the loan programs available to franchisees. Prepare a comprehensive business plan that outlines your financial projections, market analysis, and growth strategies. A well-prepared business plan will increase your chances of securing financing. It's important to note that franchises have ongoing financial obligations as well. Franchisees typically pay ongoing royalty fees, advertising fees, and possibly contribute to a collective marketing fund. Understand these financial commitments and factor them into your budget. Step 3. Secure a location and sign the agreement. Step 3 is securing a location and signing the franchise agreement. Once you've chosen a franchise and completed the necessary financial arrangements, you'll need to find a suitable location for your business. Some franchises provide assistance in site selection, while others require you to find your own location. Consider factors such as foot traffic, accessibility, competition, and demographics when choosing a location. Once you've identified a potential site, reach out to the franchisor for approval. They will assess the location based on their specific criteria and guidelines. If approved, you'll move forward to sign the franchise agreement. This agreement outlines the terms and conditions of your partnership with the franchisor, including the rights and responsibilities of both parties. Before signing the agreement, thoroughly review it and seek legal advice if necessary. Pay close attention to the duration of the agreement, renewal options, territorial rights, training and support provisions, and any restrictions or obligations imposed by the franchisor. It's essential to have a clear understanding of the agreement before committing to it. Step 4. Training and launch. Step 4 involves training and launching your franchise business. Most franchisors provide comprehensive training programs to familiarize you with their business operations, products, and services. Take advantage of these training opportunities to learn the ins and outs of running your franchise effectively. As you near the launch date, develop a detailed launch plan. This includes marketing strategies, staff recruitment and training, inventory management, and setting up your systems and processes. Work closely with the franchisor's support team during this phase to ensure a smooth and successful launch. Implement effective marketing and advertising strategies to create awareness about your new franchise. Utilize both traditional and digital marketing channels to reach your target audience. Leverage the established brand reputation of the franchise while adding your personal touch to attract customers. Step 5. Ongoing support and growth. Step 5 is all about ongoing support and growth. One of the significant advantages of franchising is the continuous support provided by the franchisor. Stay in regular communication with the franchisor's support team, attend training sessions and seminars, and participate in franchisee networking events. This support network can be invaluable in addressing challenges, implementing best practices, and exploring opportunities for growth. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your franchise business. Analyze financial reports, customer feedback, and market trends to identify areas of improvement. Implement strategies to enhance customer experience, streamline operations, and maximize profitability. As your franchise business grows, you may even consider expanding by opening additional franchise units or exploring new territories. However, expansion should be approached strategically and in collaboration with the franchisor to ensure a consistent and successful brand presence. Conclusion. Starting a franchise business can be a rewarding venture that offers the benefits of an established brand and ongoing support. Remember, it's essential to thoroughly research and choose a franchise that aligns with your interests and financial capabilities. Evaluate your finances, secure a location, sign the franchise agreement, undergo training, and launch your business with a well-executed plan. And don't forget the importance of ongoing support, continuous improvement, and potential growth. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of franchises and how to start your own franchise business. If you have any further questions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy franchising! The script provided is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal or financial advice. It is recommended to consult with professionals and experts in franchise law and business management when starting a franchise business.